From us the ingredients, I don't know what time it is. I don't know how cook it down, so stay tuned for see what one. Alright, so guys, I have my condensed milk, banana, dragon, vanilla, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, peanut, oats, blend. Blend it up to it. So you know, yeah, these are the ingredients them, cause I try upload the video 2 times already, I'ma get copyright. So, me can't use my little song and I had no nothing one little piece. He said, I don't know where I go already, you know. So me I fear rise over, but I don't know it in go. So it go sometimes. So we're ready for blend up and all. Put in the banana them pretty man. I'm putting in my Supligen. No, what that is it. Blend it up, turn it on your head. You know how badness, you know how badness. So yeah, put in that, grab it oats. And I just drop some comment in the comment section. You don't know it come down, like, comment, share, subscribe, repost, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know? So yeah, I'm adding in my Lasco. I'm gonna go drop a dragon in it right now. Boom. Yes, I'm gonna add my dragon. And if I don't want some of this, I just pour out some simple. I don't know, like, yeah. Big bad peanut, no, drop in the peanut, them. Let it just use 1 pack of peanuts. Still, cause now have the peanut punch. Somebody just throw the peanut punch in there. Hey, that's a miracle. Great out nutmeg or something. Add in the flavor, drop in the cinnamon. When I really want to tell an oil go fully down. Hey. Drop in some vanilla. That is it. Let me know if you guys would drink some of this. Alright, somebody put it in a peanut punch, right? Just so no. They say, yo, he's only happy to make you add this song for it enough. So yeah, that I peanut punch from use in a hit, guys. And what is it without a little toops of Jamaican Ray and nephew? Big bad rum. You know it come down, yeah, may I add some condensed milk. You know me chat bad so. I don't know, may I tax sometime, but yeah, we are in some sweet milk, man. Everything did just right. I'm even me Janet Nina me just, you know, chew until my ancestors them tell me say me fi stop. Sure. Alright, so everything combined us and now we are blown up. So we got to say, bend it up. Turn it to your head, bend it up. Turn it to your head, bend it up. Turn it to your head, bend it up. Sure. So yeah, blend. I didn't ice now. Okay, you know, say, punch ready. Ready for drink, ready for chang up. Yeah. Jaja, one of the rating, man, just like, comment, subscribe, and share up a video. Is he drop some comments down below. Watch the man, watch consistency, watch the. See, it's good enough, people. 10 always have 10. Tell me what you want to give me a drink in the comment section down below. And that's it for today's upload. See you guys in my next video. Yeah, the girl is out. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye, guys.